Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Firstly, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Dev Check. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer Flare2, and when it's ready, open it. Now from this app you can learn all the informations about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!